kabla niingie bunge we were friends, na nilipoingia katika bunge nikajua Meja Dong ndiye prefect wa watu wa mlima. Mtu wote wa mlima anaonekana ni kama hafuati mlima, anapatikana na Meja Dong na kanaongea vibaya. Hata venye historia ya baba yake iliposomwa nilishangaa. Meja Dong ni Mkristo na amelelewa hivyo katika Kikristo, toreka mundu kali ya urumu kawa galimo kumenyera kirima gike kana mugi watu goikarania. And we really want to thank God. I was very surprised, although I always say a man is not the many kanaga by how much wealth he has left, but by the kind of a family that he has brought up. When we saw the family of this man, I saluted him in his death. But again, Daddy Mashaka, when I saw his photo, I knew he was a no-nonsense man. Na tere wiyone mara rutire ria jega biyo no weciria icio ingi murorere ucio no akumwira jaribuni na muthuri ucio no waigua nginya hikia mutumia wa keri amwirire ni ngukuhikia on one condition ati ndukamenithania na ciana ciakwa. Arume ingi matihota kuuga uguo, magakuirwo hakiri ni ahiki, magakuirwo ciana ikanyarirwo ikaingatwo, muhiki werirwo ngukuhikia na ngoige guku na wikare wega on one condition ati ciana ndugacieheria hari andi. We salute this man again. Finally, I want to say ati nitwaria muno horo wa deputy president na Njohi, but as county Kiambu na Amratha gwenda kugo andu amaratiga Njohi thina wa nduri muno kuria Njohi ni kwena ongi wa kuria marainuka na marathi gukora ku madam tondu madam ni mendire Jesu riu matihotana na arefi. Riu ni tukwenda guthaitha atumia ona deputy president akihurana na Njohi rekei andu amone gwa kuinuka. Ainuka mundu ndare maundu maingi akitona ndarehaga irio no ni akuhikiria gikuheretwa twanage guciarira kamwe 10 na ndakurihagia mundu ona konda no ndu ungi muhere gitio kaundu kau undu uria ukiriara matarahikania matinda afara makiuga jeshi tingenu acio mauga jeshi tingenu ona ne marenda atumia ona wona ndareringithia nyamu ici ni iramagutha ikamagutha biu mukurumagara na hau ndu kwaga kairetu gataina mutaratara wa muturire ukarehe nyumba eno kamundu waka kwende kabuthuka gareke kabuthuka hakorwo he mundu nyumba eno nigetha rucio rwitũ rugakorwo rwega. So in as much as the deputy president is doing it, let's also support them when they come home. Kwoguo ni hakwa nguga tumende tuma accept nigetha turwe bare no twi hamwe ona atungatĩri tumetikira kanitha moka mari ari tugaikara nao. And finally, I just want to say a man can only get it 1 year if he protects his family. Mundu makinyege miaka 1 nigukorwo ndogo na mutumia na kainokero okoro-ine tondu atumia merihagirio okoro-ine akondro mutumia aku akororete ogwetereire okinye